Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, still Wednesday, October the 21st, 2020. The second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku and this will be number 1, 7, 7, and 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted. This Sudoku has 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku, this one with 26, you can say it's a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 1 and a 5 in this column, 1 and a 5 in the third column. So the column between the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Yes, let me mark them for you. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. The 7 is missing in this big square. 9 is missing and the 4 is missing. We see here 9 and so no 9 in this box. We see here 7, so no 7 in that box. So the 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Oh, 1, not a 7, 1. Yes, 1. This is a 1. Big mistake. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers. In the third column, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Let me mark them for you. Same like here, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Same like here in this big square, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Alright, and now 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 4, yes. 2 boxes left in the first column. We have here the 9 and the 7. The 2 missing numbers here are the 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 1, yes. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 5. We see here the 1 and the 5 here in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left for the 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 2. These 2 boxes are left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. This is also a pair in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now 6, 3, and 4. No. Alright. How about 2? How about the number 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 2. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 4 missing numbers. Correction, 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 6, the 8, and the 5. I see here the 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes, so the other 2 boxes are left for in this big square are left for the 8 and the 5. We see here 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this second row for the number 5. These 2 boxes are left for the first row for the numbers 6 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Let me mark them for you, 6 and 3. So these 3 boxes, the 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and an 8 here, so no 2 and an 8 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 9, the 2 and the 8 goes in, and those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 2 boxes left in this column. The 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Then 3, 5. Interesting. Alright. How about the number? The number. Yeah. 1, 5, 6, 3, 4. 4, yes, 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I have marked those two boxes with a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Now 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. 2, no, 1, 2, 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this column, the 6 and the 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 8, 8, 1, 1, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9. 1 and a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 5, 9, and 6. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number here is this number 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in the last column, the 4 and the 5, 4 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 5, no, not 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 7. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 8. And now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes exactly. Yes, I like this Sudoku. 2-star Sudoku. And I have solved this in a fast time. Do you think, do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.